Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn that how to resist or stop Google from tracking us. Google tracks us or gets our information and things which match our interest. For example, we are talking about something and suddenly it appears inside our Instagram feed or TikTok feed. So the Google basically collects the data by our own microphones of the phone. You have to stop it from here. You have to first of all come into the settings, and at last, as it's mention Google services, you have to enter the Google services, and afterwards you have to come into this section of all services and check out this section, privacy and security. So first of all, we have to end the ads which are just a headache. So I have already reset it. So, and coming towards the personalize and use sharing data, we have turned these all options off, and at last you have to come into this usage and diagnostics. So you also have to turn it off, and afterwards you have to come into the privacy section and come into this more. So you have to scroll down, and you can see the Android system intelligence. You have to come into it, and you have to turn these all options off that necessary. You have to clear data for all time. Okay, as we are done with the options, we turned off the Google from keyboard portion and the clear data. We have cleared the data for all time. So we are done and we are secure now. For such informative videos, please do like and subscribe our channel and also support our hard work. Thank you everybody.